I'll show a demonstration of content reuse between Sitecore and Cognigy. I'll use a cutting-edge coffee hardware startup as my example. Here's the experience I want to create. A visitor comes to the chatbot on our website or on our Facebook page. They ask about what's going on this month, and I confirm they're interested in specials. When they want to see specials, I'll show them our specials this month in a list format. I want to pull all of this content in from Sitecore. And you can see I have a number of specials featured this month. Let's see how I would build this whole interaction with Cognigy. First, I'll go to Sitecore and confirm my specials are up to date. Next, in Cognigy, I've started to build a conversational process that checks to see if the user is interested in specials or events. If they ask about specials, the first thing I want to do is retrieve my specials from Sitecore. To do that, I'll add an action and choose Get Specials as my target flow. That's going to retrieve this month's specials from Sitecore. Next, I need to display them. I'll create another action and use the Show List flow to display a nice list to the user. Let's test it out in the interaction panel. This looks good, but it's a long list. On a mobile device, it might scroll by too fast to be helpful. I want to try it out in a carousel instead. I'll edit my action and choose Show Carousel this time. This works better as it lets the user scroll through the options rather than having a long list. Once I've created this process, I'm set. Someone else might add new specials in Sitecore, upload new images, or change the copy. Because of Cognigy's ability to integrate with Sitecore and the ease of use of Cognigy's process editor, I don't need developer resources to make changes to this flow. That's an example of reusing Sitecore content in your conversational channels.